Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. In my case, almost an hour. Most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. If you want to, you can check some further details either by tapping inside this graph. We will be transferred to this dashboard where you can compare the usage time in particular days of the week, or you can tap directly on the app, so the settings, phone, camera, whatever, just tap on it, and again we've got this dashboard, but this time tightly connected with this one app. Under it you've got also the ways to disconnect, and I highly recommend to check them if you feel that you are spending too much time on the screen. You can set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode, where you can choose the apps which are distracting for you. You can set a schedule, so you can choose particular days of a week and the start and the end time, and in this period your device will hide the notifications from those distracting apps, so you will be able to focus, for example, on work or on a study. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.